during the pranayama, should we breathe in, inhalation, through mouth or nose? And the answer is through nose. And the reason is that when we breathe through our mouth, anything we put it in our mouth, it goes to our digestive system. And we get the bloating, heartburns, because then our stomach takes too much space. It compresses our diaphragm and it gives the heartburn. So, but when we breathe through the nose, it goes to the lungs, and the blood through the lungs, it goes to the heart, and through bloodstream, it goes to entire body. So it does the function what it's supposed to be doing. Also, when we breathe through the nose, the physiology of the nose is that with the nostrils, it goes into the mouth part, it energizes it, and the pure oxygen, it increases the saliva in the mouth. You might notice that during the meditation, we have a more saliva in our mouth. Because during that time, with the calmness, the mouth releases more saliva. And saliva is known to balance the pH of the body. It gives a more basic pH. And that saliva, due to the pH nature, it also decreases the acidity in the stomach. That's why it is always said that when we eat the food, we should chew it until it gets to the stage of very liquidy, means it is mixed with the saliva, so then we have less heartburn. So that's another thing here I wanted to add here, just that why we should chew the food rather than just gobbling it. So going back to it, so then the structure of the nostrils, it goes to the, from the nostril, it goes to the throat, and then from the throat region, it goes to the upper part of the body or upper part of the head, where it activates our sixth chakra, head region, to seventh chakra, here, crown chakra. All that activates our pineal gland and pituitary gland, and also the thyroid gland, because we take it the throat region. So these three parts get very activated by breathing through the nose. So this is the reason why we should be breathing through the nose, because it gives us a calmness of the mind immediately, and also does not affect our heart burning and disturb our digestive system. So I hope that answers the question what someone has sent me here. Thank you. Thank you for asking that question. And now, if anybody else has any question, please.
Thank you, Satyaji. I have a comment to make. I'm Mohinder. The nose is the breathing organ, so we should be breathing through nose and not through mouth, like you have said. One thing, if you breathe through your mouth, it dries your mouth and it takes away the saliva also. And breathing through nose, the nose has, if you notice that it has small hair inside the nostril, which is called cilia, and the air gets purified through nose, and then it enters the nasopharynx, and then trachea, and then the lungs. The other comment I wanted to make is that keeping your lungs healthy, especially these days, is very important, because, in COVID, we need healthy lungs. So, and then other seasons, of course, when there's a flu, and cold, if our lungs are healthy, if our respiratory system is healthy, we are less likely to get these infections. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahinderji. Your doctor's point of view